Hello students, good morning all of you. This is Shell Public School. We are in class 10 and today I am teaching you in information technology session 2 making resolutions. Functional English unit session 2 making resolutions. What is making resolutions? Relevant knowledge are there. Read carefully, pause the screen, read carefully. Have you ever made a promise in yourself? What type of promise you have to decide? Promise could be as simple as I will never lose my temper again. I will try to study hard this year and get first division in class XYZ at 9 10th. I will talk less on my mobile phone, use less of my mobile phone or a smartphone. I will help my mother, I will help mother out with her household chores when she comes home tired from work. I will get 95% in math this year. That is the commitment. Promise to yourself. And I will learn to speak properly in English within 6 months. Those are known as a resolution. Commitment to yourself, promise to yourself. Think about what you would like to promise to yourself. These promises are actually what are known as your own resolution. In this session, we will learn about this concept. It's not about the resolution in a computer system. In a computer operating system in Windows, we can study about resolution in before class. Resolution is a number of pixels present on the screen. Those are known as resolution. That means 1024 by 768. That is resolution. In this functional English unit, the resolution is known as the promise of yourself, commitment of yourself. Okay, that is resolution. In this resolution, some activities are there. We are learning about this. First, that is simple future tense. Simple future tense. Bhavishya Kal. These, the use of word like, will and shall denote the future time of action. Now read the sentence carefully. Pause the screen and read the sentence carefully and write it down in your notebook. Set A. I will try to learn English well. I will try to see fewer movies. I will learn 3 new words every day. I will exercise every morning for 1 hour. I will not carry forward any regrets. And many more. I will keep my room neat and clean. Okay. So those are future tense. I will, मैं करूँगा, यह मुझसे होगा, मैं यह चाहता हूँ. I will keep my room neat and clean. I will accept the terms and conditions. He will not let you join, but we will argue in your favor. Now compare above sentence with the following set B session. In the set B, I tried to learn English well. I tried to see fewer movies. I learned 3 new words every day. I exercise every morning for 1 hour. I take care of the dogs in my colony. I do not carry any regrets. I keep my room neat and clean. So compare set and set B. Some normal differences are there. Do you see the difference between the sets, two sets, that is set A and B of sentences? The first set of sentence in the simple future tense, the second sets denote a fact or a habit and are all the present, simple present tense. Okay. So some exercise we are going to practice. Read it carefully and write it down here on notebook and practice yourself about future tense. I will show you some future tense. I will prepare a presentation for you for the future tense. We will study about future tense first, then after we have to go for exercise regularly with their answers. Okay, So in this future tense we can use the simple future tense when we predict a future event and situations. I think that the white robot will win the race. When we make decisions at the time of speaking, what time do you want to meet tomorrow morning? I will you at 10 o'clock XYZ. Okay, so adverbs that are used in the future tense, tomorrow, that is the word. The day after tomorrow, in a few days means 2 days later, in 2 weeks the time, next Sunday, after 2 weeks, in a few minutes, in the future. So some statements are there, some positive and negative statements are there in a simple future tense. Write the formula: subject, that is I, you, we, they, he, she, and some verb we have to use with I will, you will, we will, we won't, and main verbs we have to use be or go. I will go, I will be. Okay, home in a few days, on holiday next week, be at home tomorrow, I will go to school tomorrow. That is the some future, simple future tense sentences are there. Write it down your notebook. Next, is, am, are. We can study in previous lecture what is about is, am, are, where it is used, कहाँ ये use होंगे. Is, am, are. Okay, I am, you, we, they are, and he, she, it is, है ना. Okay, going to buy a computer, going to install some software. So use of is, am, are is very important in the simple future tense. Okay, going to. Okay, so we can use be going to in the future tense to express a greater degree of certainty. We can use be going to talking about what we think will happen soon. Look at those back clouds, it's going to rain. Okay, talk about what we have already arranged for decide to do. Example, I am going to punish Mary because she is so talkative. Okay, so write it down in your notebook. Some subjects I, you, we or they, he, she or it, with some verbs am, not, I am not, are, you, we, they are or aren't, go to visit the girl tomorrow. Okay, he is going to visit the girl tomorrow. Okay, so write it down in your notebook and practice it. So we have to come in our textbook exercise. Read the following sentences, and these are incomplete sentences. Complete it yourself and try to make a resolution yourself. Try to fill them with what you wish to do in your life. I promise to do like that. I promise I will. I resolve never to lose. I resolve to. I will try to. I try to my best. I am never going to there anywhere. जो भी है. So exercise complete by yourself. Tomorrow we will discuss about some answers. Some topics are there. What we can do for that. Assessment. In assessment, from the following options, select and tick the one that is the simple future tense. In the options, in the three options, one is the correct answer and you can select a simple future tense. I did not smoke. I will not smoke. I will not smoking. That is the continuous. Okay, simple future continuous tense. It is used ing, and I will not smoked. Okay, so we will work on simple future tense, that is I will not smoke. Next is I exercise every day to stay fit and healthy. Same as it is, you can find out the simple future tense in the three option. Same as it is in third, fourth, fifth. Pause the screen, write down in your notebook all the exercise questions and complete it carefully, understand it carefully, and tomorrow we will discuss about the answers. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.